you're a police officer. I don't care. You're not helping me if my bag's in here. I went to where? Where I was not supposed to be.
So walk back up there. I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Okay, so put me in handcuffs. Are you done or not? I just asked you a question. How about you shut the up? Who?
I haven't talked to you at all yet.
Yeah, you haven't. So what's up?
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, where's my bags? You wanna look up my name? You don't even know my name, do you? Oh, you're a police officer, so you automatically do, huh? No, you don't, because my name was never a issue.
Yelling at me?
Am I?
Yes, you're raising your voice.
Okay, so look me up.
You're being audio video recorded,
Look
by the
me
way.
up. I need my bags. That's what the I just said, right?
You can figure out some solutions. You also have to figure
No,
out why you're
I just said.
when you don't have business there.
I don't have business here.
Why are you
Where'd I
going back
come
there?
from? Where'd I come from?
Tell me.
Am I what? Sorry, came from the army. So, what's the word? I'm a.
Being detained?
No, that's not what the I said, right?
That's what I said.
No, what's the word? It's a. I'm gonna hang the up on you because you're not cooking me yet. It's a. I don't know what the word is to it. So what's up? What's up? Because you left me. You're in your car. Whatever. I don't give a I got off Alaska Airlines. I could not carry my bags on my own. They were over 50 pounds. My fiance came in here to carry my bags. I could not find my bags. That's what you want me to say, right? Right. Okay. So you hear him?
I'm not talking to him. I'm talking to you.
But do you hear him?
I don't need
You can take me to jail. I don't give a
Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't, because they're in my bag.
Okay, where are your bags right now?
I don't know. Just like I said, I got off Alaska. Look, I'm going to count to 1, 2, 3, right? Alaska Airlines I got off of, right? I cannot carry my bags. Count 2, right? Alaska, are you counting? Or am I? Alaska Airlines cannot carry my bags. My fiance came out here. 1, 2, motherfucking 3. Take me to jail if you want to.
I don't even know what happened. That's why you're being detained. We're talking with you.
Right. I got drunk on my flight.
Okay.
I cannot carry my bags. So my fiance came to pick me up. Are you listening or not? You can take me to jail. I don't give a f***.
Where did you leave? So, are these check bags or are these bags?
They're check bags. Okay. So I'm at the check bag area, right?
Baggage claim. Yeah.
Yeah, baggage claim, which is check bags.
Well,
we can acknowledge that or not.
Why are you causing a breach alarm to go off? Meaning you went.
I don't care. I don't care.
Supposed to be,
I don't care.
And now the airport's
I went to where? I went to where? Where I was not supposed to be. Where? To actually talk to me. Write a report. Write a report. Okay.
Well,
let's yeah, because I own businesses. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do that and see how far it goes.
On July 30th, 2024, officers at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport responded to a confirmed security breach in the sterile zone. A passenger returning on Alaska Airlines bypassed a restricted TSA checkpoint, ignored verbal commands to stop, and triggered an airport-wide breach alarm. The alarm forced a complete shutdown of the airport transit train system, disrupting thousands of travelers. The central legal questions are 3. Was the initial detention lawful? Was the arrest supported by probable cause? And was the force applied constitutionally reasonable? Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers may briefly detain an individual based on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, airport security staff confirmed on scene that the subject knowingly walked past a clearly marked do not enter access point into a restricted sterile zone. That confirmation from a non-law enforcement eyewitness is sufficient to establish reasonable suspicion. The initial detention was lawful. Washington Revised Code Section 9A 52070 defines criminal trespass in the first degree as knowingly entering or remaining unlawfully in a building. A restricted airport sterile zone qualifies as a building under this statute. The subject's own admission that she went where she was not supposed to be is on record. That admission, combined with the security staff account and the breach alarm activation, establishes probable cause for the trespass charge. The arrest on this count is legally sound.
You don't even know how to talk to me.
We're trying to help you out.
You're not!
Okay.
You're not, because where's my bags? You're not helping me if my bags ain't here.
Okay.
Right?
So I don't.
Yeah,
I don't
you're so in charge. Yeah, you're so in charge. If my dad was on the phone versus my husband, you would shut the up. You would shut the up.
Okay.
So, boom.
Okay, we just gotta work through.
No, this is too funny because if it was my dad here, he would have carried my bags and it wouldn't be no problem. But I'm really drunk. I just came from the military. In my bag, there's a military ID.
Okay.
On my flight, because I threw up before I came here. He's right here.
Is he?
He's right here. I know.
Were you traveling with her?
No, I wasn't. I was coming to pick her up.
You can't go talk to her right now. Okay.
Like I said, what'd I say before I got here?
What's she? So
She's being detained for trespassing.
She don't have her ID on her?
No,
I'm not here to hurt you or nothing like that.
she didn't come out of the SCS.
Yeah, no, she did. They come get me so I can go pick up the bag.
But you're the police officer, right? Right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm telling you, we went to go pick him up. Obviously, she went into the wrong restricted area.
Yeah.
And then she started flashing. She's drunk, obviously. She's belligerent.
I need my bags.
Okay.
That's all I
Do you want me to
said.
get your bags for you or not?
Are you going to or not?
I
Because I'll
need your
bail
name.
myself out. I don't care.
She's being detained because we're investigating trespass right now. You know what her middle initial is?
I don't know. I just know her. I just know her first name.
You're the boyfriend?
I'm the boyfriend. Yeah.
You don't know her date of birth or anything?
I don't know her date of birth.
You don't know her birthday? How long you guys been dating?
7 months.
You're gonna miss her birthday.
Look.
Hey, if you want me to help you, you gotta
No,
hang out over
listen. Because I might have left my check-in bag on the airplane.
Are we talking like carry-on baggage
No,
or
they're
check
heavy.
bag?
They're check baggage.
Okay, so that would be on a carousel in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But I have 2 check bags because it's military and they're free.
here. Okay.
But she was trespassing down into the train station.
Yeah, I was trying to grab her and then she kept like,
What's up?
No.
No, stay.
I'm going to stand by him.
No, you're gonna walk back up there.
Why?
Because they're directing, because you're being detained. You don't get to walk free right now. I already tell you you're detained right now. So walk back up there, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Okay, so put me in handcuffs because I want to walk by him.
Can you stop?
Go ahead.
You really want to do that?
I want to stand by him.
You can walk back
I
up there
just
because you've
got
been directed to
here.
by
I
law
just
enforcement
got
like
here
being
for
detained.
you.
I'm trying to help you.
Go ahead. I'm not scared of you guys.
No. Did you just say you graduated from basic training?
Hello?
Did I?
You did.
Did you hear me say that? Did you hear me say that?
Okay, sounds good.
Hey, can you guys?
I'm right here. Do you want me to walk right here?
Hey.
Put her in
I'm
handcuffs.
right here.
Stop.
You're in
Go
handcuffs.
ahead. The that's what you guys been wanting me to do. I should have just called my dad. Which I did.
Spread your feet.
Stop. Are you done?
Which I've been done.
Well, you're still tension up. All right, so you're going to jail for trespassing and obstruction.
Trespassing
You're
for
under
what?
arrest for obstruction.
You guys ain't
We're
gonna
gonna
win
confirm
nothing.
PC on the trespass.
Yeah, go ahead. You done? Or not?
I'll confirm now.
Are you done or not? I just asked you a question.
Well, you're now under arrest. That's where we are.
Yeah, okay. I don't think you've done that.
When the subject attempted to walk away from the detention toward her fiancé, officers issued a clear warning before escalating to handcuffs. Under Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 119, 2000, voluntary movement away from an officer during a lawful detention is a recognized escalation factor. The subject's physical tensing and non-compliance during handcuffing directly supported the charges of resisting arrest under RCW 9A 76040. Regarding use of force, the Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, established a 3-factor test. First, the severity of the crime. Second, whether the subject posed an immediate threat. Third, whether the subject was actively resisting or attempting to evade. Here, the crime was a gross misdemeanor. The subject posed no weapon threat, but she was physically resistant throughout the handcuffing sequence. The force applied physical control to handcuffs is proportionate under Graham. No weapons were drawn, no strikes were delivered. The force level is constitutionally supported. However, at approximately 8 minutes and 11 seconds, the subject complained of being held by the neck. This moment requires separate analysis. Modern use of force policy, informed by post standards and department training guidelines, prohibits neck restraints outside of situations where lethal force is authorized. While the contact appears incidental during a dynamic takedown rather than a deliberate chokehold, the complaint is on record and is subject to internal administrative review.
I'm stronger than what you thought. So
You're not,
tense up or what?
So stay
Tense
calm.
or
Stay calm.
tense up or
Listen.
strengthen it. What?
We would prefer this goes relaxed. If you would prefer that we search you while you're flat on the ground, we can do that instead.
Do what your job
We
is.
prefer not to do that.
How about you just shut up and do what your job is?
My job is arresting people. We just did that.
Go ahead.
No, you're
You
under arrest. That's
arrested
why you
me,
have
you put me in the
handcuffs.
car, I'll just
We're going to do
shoot you
that.
on the top.
So she just shut down an international
I know that.
right?
You know
So
what
there's
I'm saying?
consequences.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against
Yeah, I
you in
got
a
that
court of
same
law.
card.
It's hard for me to control her because
You want to take a seat over here for me? I know it's kind of tough to.
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent me for any question if you wish. You can assign at any time to exercise the rights of not answering questions or making any statements. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
On Miranda, at 7 minutes and 17 seconds, officers administered the full 4-component advisement under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436. Right to remain silent, right to an attorney, right to appointed counsel. Warning that statements may be used in court. The subject acknowledged understanding. This is full textbook Miranda compliance. Any post-arrest statements made by the subject are admissible. No suppression issue exists on this record. The obstruction charge under RCW 9A 76020 requires willful hindrance or delay of an officer in the discharge of official duties. The subject's sustained physical noncompliance, repeated attempts to leave the detention area, and verbal commands to officers to perform specific actions satisfy the elements of this statute. All 3 charges, criminal trespass, resisting arrest, and obstruction, are supported by the evidence captured in this footage.
Okay,
Sir,
spread your feet
right?
out. We're searching
That's
you.
your name, right, sir?
It's
All
Sergeant.
the shit. Sergeant?
Okay. You want to search
Sir.
her?
Go ahead and search me, because that's your job, right?
That's what we're doing. Yes.
Right. I'm not scared of you. I don't give a to go on the ground. I'm supposed to sleep in a hole in the army.
You're not a very good soldier.
Shut the up. How about that?
You talking about being a soldier?
How about you shut the up?
Who's start transporting now?
Ask for transport.
As soon as she gets in the car, the better.
Yeah, and you can also let go of my neck because
Hold
what?
still. Stop flipping around like a fish.
And then when I press charges, then what?
What are
You're
you
so
gonna-
right,
what are you
and I
gonna
was
press
wrong,
charges
right?
on for?
How about you tell me?
Well, you're being
Because you was
arrested.
so right and I was so wrong, right?
You're
Because I was
not
trespassing, right? Right?
Still establishing.
Because that hurts my motherfucking wrist, right?
Stop pushing
That's what
against
the
the
you thought
handcuffs.
you was just doing, right?
Stop
Huh?
pushing against the handcuffs.
I'm not scared, and I'm not hurt. I'm not trespassing because I got a motherfucking air flying. I got a motherfucking air ticket. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's
Okay,
up?
pick her up. Pick her up. You can lay flat. You stay down there.
Yeah, that's
Hey.
okay.
Lay flat.
And then what?
That is it.
Yeah, that is it, huh? Yeah, bitch, I would have knocked you the out. You punk grabbing my bags, talking about some trespassing. Bitch, I got off the flight looking for my motherfucking bags. You punk bitch.
So your bags are over on carousel 15?
I don't give a where my bags are. Get them and get them out. That's all the I care about, right?
I'm asking you. Would you like me
I don't know where they are. My fiance can get them because they're too heavy, right? That's why the he's here, right? Yeah, that part. So I don't want to hear nothing else. I don't want to hear nothing else. That's all talking. I don't give a
Is there a way I can actually get her bags?
Yeah. If she says yes, you can.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, yeah, you can.
Okay, I just don't know where
They're on bag lane 15.
I don't know where they
Hey there, what you
are. So keep playing with me. I wish you would.
You can't
Bitch.
threaten people.
And I could.
You can't threaten people.
Look, I own businesses. I own LLCs. I've been in Lamborghinis. Then what? Then what? You don't even know what to say because you ain't never. Shut up. The arrest me then. That's what the I've been said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't even know what to do. Because you ain't never been where I've been.
Is that her?
Shut up.
That's the one that was
Shut
down.
up.
Causing
right?
a problem?
And you ain't
Okay,
said
we
nothing
just
since,
needed
right?
somebody to say, yep, that's the one that did it. Okay, cool. All right.
She was coming down the stairs. Well, she came down the stairs with her boyfriend, and I thought they were going to go back up the escalator.
Once I saw the do not enter.
Yeah, then she started just walking, and I stood up and I told her to stop. And that's when she told me, she's like, "What are you going to do? You're going to stop me?" And then that's when I told her, like, stop. And then she just kept on walking. And then she's like, "I need to get my bags." That's when One of our co-workers went chasing after her, and then I pressed the breach button.
Yeah.
And then as she was walking out, she was just like, "You're lucky I didn't punch you." Just started walking out.
I thought she was gonna punch you.
I thought she. Yeah,
Did she like ball up?
Yeah, she went like this to me, like that.
Ooh, like really like close?
Yeah, you can look at the video.
Ooh, okay.
Shut up! Shut up, right? And you ain't said nothing since, right? I done been to jail. I don't care. You're not scaring me. You're not hurting me. I done died everything. I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care.
Okay, you're under arrest for trespass as well.
That's fine, because I done had an air ticket and you're going to dismiss the charge. That's good. I came from the Army. Like, look, my Army license is in my bag. I didn't trespass
boyfriend
shit.
said you're discharged from the Army. You're not in the Army.
Okay, but look.
Is that true?
How'd I get here? How'd I get here? Right? From the Army, right?
Apparently she was,
My DOD, right?
Squares.
apparently she was just discharged, like recently.
Okay, well, get her social.
What's your social?
How about you ask somebody else? Because you guys know everything, right?
Well, if you don't know your social,
How about you ask somebody else? Shut the f up, bitch.
Been like this the whole time.
Huh?
You're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
That's fine. I don't care.
What you know.
I don't care.
I'm gonna just wait until you guys do the full process to send her there, and I'm gonna just try to bail her out.
Yeah.
Airport police officers receive a B. Miranda was administered correctly. Force was proportionate. De-escalation attempts were genuine. Officers coordinated the recovery of the subject's bags entirely outside their obligation, demonstrating professional judgment under extreme provocation. The grade is held at B rather than higher due to the neck contact complaint at 811, which, even if incidental, reflects a lapse in technique requiring review. The subject receives a D+. Entry into a federally controlled sterile zone carries serious legal consequences. The subject's conduct after initial contact, 12 minutes of sustained verbal aggression, physical resistance, and personal threats directly generated each additional charge. The First Amendment protects profane speech directed at law enforcement. It does not protect physical resistance to a lawful arrest. That distinction matters. Airport security staff receive a B+. Breach protocol was correctly initiated. Witness account was clear, consistent, and usable. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, intoxication does not suspend legal consequences. Disorientation may explain an unauthorized entry. It does not excuse sustained resistance. Second, the right to remain silent exists precisely for situations like this one. Every statement the subject made was used to confirm elements of the charges against her. Third, officers operating in federal facilities such as airports carry jurisdiction under both state law and federal TSA security regulations under 49 CFR, Part 1542. Compliance with officer commands at a security checkpoint is not optional. The legal framework supporting enforcement authority at these locations is broad and well established. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.